Hello, today we are going to cover how to get ALM Toolkit and installation of it. It's a very important tool. It works with Power BI datasets, especially if you have multiple datasets and you want to compare the difference between each datasets. So without further ado, let's go and get ALM Toolkit. You can get it from alm-toolkit.com and that will bring you to this screen, or you can just simply search Google and just type ALM Toolkit for Power BI and you will probably come to this screen. Just click on download latest version. It's a very fast, it's not a very big file. It's 123 megs. I'm just gonna go ahead and click save. So it's gonna download pretty fast, and as you can see, almost done. And I have multiple versions downloaded, but I'll go ahead and click on one of these. Basically simply asking for warning. Just click OK, click next, accept the agreement, and here you have a choice. Just you want access to ALM Kit when you are logging into this machine, or you want anyone or everyone. Just pick the default everyone, or you can also change the location, but I will take the default. Click next, next, and it's gonna go pretty fast, as you can see. So it's almost done. Doesn't take that long. Let's finish it up. It's finished. Just close, and that's all to it. And if I go to my start right here, ALM Toolkit, in our next video we will cover the functionality of it and how to use it. If you like the content of this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.